Biomimetics, also known as biomimicry, is a fascinating field that draws inspiration from nature to solve complex problems in science and technology. The term biomimetics is derived from the Greek words bios, meaning life, and mimesis, meaning to imitate. It involves studying the structures, functions, processes, and systems found in nature and applying them to human-made designs and innovations. One of the key principles of biomimetics is the idea that nature has already solved many of the challenges that we face through millions of years of evolution. By observing and understanding how organisms have adapted to their environments, scientists and engineers can develop innovative solutions that are efficient, sustainable, and often more effective than traditional methods. For example, the design of Velcro was inspired by the way burrs stick to clothing, and the shape of the Shinkansen bullet train in Japan was modeled after the beak of a kingfisher to reduce noise and increase speed. These are just a few of the countless examples of biomimetic designs that have revolutionized various industries. Biomimetics is a multidisciplinary field that brings together biologists, engineers, chemists, physicists, and designers to collaborate on groundbreaking projects. By harnessing the power of nature's wisdom, biomimetics has the potential to drive innovation, sustainability, and efficiency in science and technology. It offers a new way of thinking that challenges us to look to the natural world for inspiration and solutions to some of our most pressing challenges. Biomimetics has inspired numerous innovative designs across various fields, showcasing the power of nature's solutions. One remarkable example is the development of Velcro, a widely used fastening system. Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral was inspired by the burdock burrs that stuck to his dog's fur during a walk in the woods. Upon examining the burrs under a microscope, he discovered tiny hooks that attached to loops in the fabric. This observation led to the creation of Velcro, with hooks and loops that mimic the burdock burr's mechanism. Another fascinating biomimetic design is the Shinkansen bullet train in Japan. Engineers sought to reduce noise and increase speed, leading them to study the kingfisher bird's beak. The kingfisher dives into water with minimal splash due to its streamlined beak shape. By modeling the front of the train after the kingfisher's beak, engineers successfully reduced noise and energy consumption while increasing speed. The Eastgate Center in Zimbabwe is a prime example of biomimicry in architecture. Architect Mick Pierce drew inspiration from termite mounds, which maintain a constant temperature despite external fluctuations. The building's ventilation system mimics the termite mound's design, using passive cooling techniques to regulate temperature efficiently. The lotus leaf's self-cleaning properties have also inspired innovative materials. The lotus plant's hydrophobic surface repels water and dirt, keeping the leaves clean. Scientists have replicated this structure to create self-cleaning coatings for various surfaces, from windows to textiles. The development of swimsuits for competitive swimmers has been influenced by shark skin. Sharks' denticles' tiny V-shaped scales reduce drag as they swim. By incorporating a similar texture into swimsuit designs, athletes can move through water more efficiently. These examples highlight the diverse applications of biomimetic designs, demonstrating how nature's solutions can inspire groundbreaking innovations in science and technology. Biomimetics, or biomimicry, is guided by several key principles that underpin its approach to innovation and problem-solving. These principles are rooted in the idea that nature has already perfected many solutions through evolution, making it a rich source of inspiration for human design and technology. One fundamental principle of biomimetics is the concept of sustainability. Nature operates in a sustainable manner, with organisms adapting to their environments in ways that conserve resources and minimize waste. By emulating these sustainable strategies, biomimetic designs can contribute to a more environmentally friendly and efficient future. Another key principle is efficiency. Organisms in nature have evolved to be highly efficient in their structures and processes, maximizing performance while minimizing energy consumption. Biomimetic designs aim to replicate this efficiency, leading to innovations that are not only effective but also resource efficient. Adaptation is a central principle of biomimetics. reflecting nature's ability to adapt and evolve in response to changing conditions. By studying how organisms adapt to challenges, scientists and engineers can develop flexible and resilient solutions that can withstand dynamic environments. Biomimetics also emphasizes the importance of integration and interconnectedness. In nature, systems are interconnected and work together seamlessly to achieve a common goal. Biomimetic designs often draw inspiration from these integrated systems, leading to holistic solutions that consider the broader context and interactions within a system. Collaboration is another key principle of biomimetics. Nature thrives on symbiotic relationships and cooperation among species. Similarly, biomimetic projects often involve interdisciplinary collaboration, bringing together experts from diverse fields to tackle complex challenges. Learning from nature's collaborative strategies can enhance the effectiveness and creativity of biomimetic solutions. Lastly, biomimetics values continuous learning and adaptation. Nature is constantly evolving, and biomimetic designs should also be open to iteration and improvement. By embracing a mindset of continuous learning and adaptation, biomimetics can stay at the forefront of innovation and discovery. These key principles of biomimetics guide the field's approach to innovation, offering a framework for developing sustainable, efficient, adaptive, integrated, collaborative, and continuously improving solutions inspired by nature. Biomimetics has found numerous applications in the field of science, revolutionizing research and development across various disciplines. One notable application is in the field of materials science. Scientists have looked to nature for inspiration in creating new materials with unique properties. For example, the structure of abalone shells, which are exceptionally strong and lightweight, has inspired the development of stronger and more durable ceramics. By mimicking the hierarchical structure of the shells, researchers have been able to create materials that exhibit similar strength and toughness. Another fascinating application of biomimetics in science is in the field of robotics. By studying the locomotion and behavior of animals, engineers have been able to design robots that can move more efficiently and adapt to different environments. For instance, researchers have developed robotic fish that mimic the swimming patterns of real fish, allowing them to navigate through water with agility and grace. These biomimetic robots have potential applications in underwater exploration and environmental monitoring. Biomimetics has also made significant contributions to the field of medicine and healthcare. One remarkable example is the development of biomimetic drug delivery systems. By studying how viruses and bacteria interact with cells, scientists have designed nanoparticles that can deliver drugs more effectively to targeted areas in the body. These biomimetic drug delivery systems have the potential to improve treatment outcomes and reduce side effects. Additionally, biomimetics has been instrumental in advancing the field of bio-inspired computing. By drawing inspiration from the brain's neural networks and the collective behavior of social insects, researchers have developed algorithms and computing systems that can solve complex problems more efficiently. These bio-inspired computing systems have applications in artificial intelligence, optimization, and data analysis. The applications of biomimetics in science are vast and diverse, showcasing the potential of nature-inspired solutions to drive innovation and progress in various scientific fields. Biomimetics has made significant contributions to the field of technology, inspiring innovative designs and solutions that mimic nature's brilliance. One fascinating application of biomimetics in technology is in the development of drones and aerial vehicles. By studying the flight patterns of birds and insects, engineers have been able to design drones that are more agile, efficient, and maneuverable. For example, the Bionicopter drone, inspired by dragonflies, can perform complex flight maneuvers with precision and stability. This biomimetic design has potential applications in surveillance, search and rescue missions, and environmental monitoring. Another exciting area of application is in the field of materials engineering. By drawing inspiration from the self-healing properties of certain organisms, scientists have developed self-healing materials that can repair themselves when damaged. For instance, researchers have created polymers that mimic the healing process of human skin, closing small cracks and fractures autonomously. These self-healing materials have the potential to extend the lifespan of products and infrastructure, reducing maintenance costs and environmental impact. Biomimetics has also influenced the field of robotics and automation. By studying the biomechanics of animals, engineers have developed robotic exoskeletons that can enhance human strength and mobility. These wearable devices, inspired by the structure of muscles and tendons, can assist individuals with physical disabilities or enhance the performance of workers in industrial settings. Additionally, biomimetic robots inspired by animal locomotion have been used in disaster response scenarios to navigate challenging terrains and access hard-to-reach areas. The field of biomimetics has even made its way into the realm of architecture and design. Architects have drawn inspiration from natural structures like termite mounds and spider webs to create buildings that are more energy efficient, sustainable, and aesthetically pleasing. For example, the Eastgate Center in Zimbabwe was designed to mimic the passive cooling system of termite mounds, reducing energy consumption and maintaining a comfortable indoor climate. These biomimetic architectural designs showcase the potential of nature-inspired solutions to revolutionize the built environment. The applications of biomimetics in technology are diverse and impactful, demonstrating how nature's ingenuity can inspire groundbreaking innovations across various technological fields. While biomimetics offers a wealth of opportunities for innovation, it also presents several challenges and limitations that must be addressed. One significant challenge is the complexity of biological systems. Nature's designs are the result of millions of years of evolution, making them intricate and often difficult to replicate accurately. Engineers and scientists face the daunting task of understanding and mimicking these complex systems, which can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Another challenge is the translation of biological principles into practical applications. While nature provides abundant inspiration, translating these concepts into functional technologies can be challenging. Researchers must navigate the gap between biological theory and technological implementation, ensuring that biomimetic designs are not only inspired by nature, but also feasible and effective in real-world applications. Additionally, scalability is a common limitation in biomimetic technologies. While nature's solutions may work effectively on a small scale, scaling up these designs for industrial or commercial applications can be challenging. Engineers must consider factors such as manufacturing processes, material availability, and cost-effectiveness when scaling biomimetic designs. Furthermore, ethical considerations are paramount in the field of biomimetics. As researchers delve deeper into manipulating biological systems for technological advancement, ethical questions arise regarding the impact on ecosystems, biodiversity, and animal welfare. Striking a balance between innovation and ethical responsibility is crucial in the development of biomimetic technologies. The future prospects of biomimetics are filled with exciting possibilities and potential advancements across various fields. One promising area of growth is in the development of sustainable and eco-friendly technologies inspired by nature. As the world grapples with environmental challenges, biomimetic designs offer a pathway to more sustainable solutions that minimize impact on the planet. For example, researchers are exploring how biomimetic materials and structures can be used to create energy-efficient buildings, reduce waste in manufacturing processes, and develop renewable energy technologies. Another exciting prospect is the integration of artificial intelligence and biomimetics to create more adaptive and intelligent systems. By combining the principles of biomimicry with advanced AI algorithms, scientists and engineers can develop robots and machines that can learn from their environments, adapt to changing conditions, and perform tasks with greater efficiency. This fusion of biology and technology has the potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, transportation, and agriculture. Furthermore, the field of biomimetics is poised to drive innovation in the emerging field of nanotechnology. By studying the intricate structures and processes found in nature, researchers are developing nanoscale materials and devices with unprecedented capabilities. These biomimetic nanotechnologies hold promise for applications in medicine, electronics, and environmental monitoring. Overall, the future of biomimetics is bright, with endless opportunities for groundbreaking discoveries and transformative technologies that draw inspiration from the natural world. In conclusion, biomimetics offers a fascinating approach to innovation by drawing inspiration from nature's designs and solutions. Throughout this exploration, we have seen how biomimetic designs have revolutionized various fields, from materials science to robotics, architecture, and beyond. By mimicking the efficiency, adaptability, and sustainability of biological systems, scientists and engineers have developed groundbreaking technologies that push the boundaries of what is possible. From the development of self-healing materials inspired by the human skin's regenerative properties, to the creation of drones that mimic the flight patterns of birds, biomimetics has showcased the power of nature-inspired innovation. Challenges such as the complexity of biological systems and ethical considerations remind us of the importance of responsible and thoughtful application of biomimetic principles. Looking ahead, the future prospects of biomimetics are bright, with opportunities for sustainable technologies, intelligent systems, and nanotechnological advancements on the horizon. As we continue to unlock the secrets of nature and harness its wisdom for technological innovation, the possibilities for biomimetics are limitless. By embracing the principles of biomimicry and fostering interdisciplinary collaboration, we can pave the way for a future where nature-inspired solutions drive progress and sustainability in science and technology.